There is a saying, real estate makes most millionaires. So let's go ahead and get started with the passive real estate investing with as low as $10. Hi all, this is Vibhor, a random YouTube guy who wants to share his personal experience with real estate investing. I live in the Bay Area where the property prices are insane. I did some research and figured out a platform called Fundrise. In this video, we'll go over what is Fundrise, what are its pros and its cons. Fundrise is a decade-old online platform that allows you to invest in real estate passively, and you can start with as low as just $10.
As of today, Fundrise has 330K active investors who have earned more than $194 million in dividend. In 2022, where stock market hasn't done great for so many people, Fundrise is still managed a positive return of 5.5%. Fundrise claims its average annual platform return between 7 and 16% from the year 2017 till third quarter of 2021. Fundrise offers 5 types of plans based on the minimum investment criteria, which starts from $10. If the minimum investment is $5,000 or above, Fundrise gives you an option to choose what type of real estate portfolio you want to maintain. Do you want to maintain a portfolio of dividends, appreciation property, or mix of both? What are Fundrise charges or fees? Fundrise charges us an advisory fees of 0.15% annually and a management fees of 0.85% annually. What does it mean? It means if we invest $1,000 with Fundrise, they are going to charge us $10 a year. As we have covered what is Fundrise and what are its fees, let's go ahead and deep dive into what are some of the pros and cons of Fundrise. Anyone can invest in Fundrise, whether it's an accredited user or a non-accredited user. What do you mean by accredited user? An accredited user makes 200K a year individually, or 300K as joint, or he has a $1 million of asset excluding his primary residence. We can start in Fundrise with as low as $10. You don't need a lot of money to start with Fundrise. Fundrise provides a diversified portfolio of properties across US, and they are not concentrated to one region or state. Investment with Fundrise is fully passive. You just set the account once and forget it. Real estate is considered as one of the expensive asset class. Fundrise gives you an opportunity to be part of that asset class with low investment. And last and not the least, Fundrise gives you a 90 days money back guarantee. It means if you start the account with Fundrise and you don't like after 30 days or 60 days, you can call their customer support and they will return your money without any penalty. Wherever there are pros, there are definitely some cons. So let's go over some of the cons of Fundrise. Investment in Fundrise is not a liquid investment. We are talking about apartments, complexes, shopping malls, which cannot be purchased or sold on a flick of a finger, like Apple or Google shares in the share market. The typical time frame which we are looking for is somewhere 5 years or more. In case one needs their money back before 5 years, there will be a small penalty charged by the Fundrise. Second con is on the tax side. The dividends earned from the Fundrise will be charged on your regular income, and you won't get qualified dividends benefit, which lies between 0 to 23%.
Quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Request you to please do your own research before investing, as investing involves risk.
Let me walk you through my Fundrise portfolio. I started investing in Fundrise from January 2022 with $1,000. Being Fundrise as a passive investment, I set the investment of $200 per month and I forgot it. So in last 8 months, I have invested $2,600 and Fundrise has given me a dividend of $14 and an appreciation close to $113. and they have charged me an advisory fees around $2. So in total, I got $125 in last 8 months. If we click on the performance tab, we can see year to date return is close to 7%. On the right side, Fundrise shows how many projects they have invested my money in and what are their strategies. Let's go into Portfolio tab. If we go into Portfolio tab, we can see the actual projects which they have invested in, where they are, and what's the asset value it is.
Thanks for staying with me so far. Request you to please like my video, subscribe to the channel for further financial and educational content.